Okay, so I've just recently got myself into gardening. We've always watched my mum do the gardening. She spent hours out in the garden, and she would have a moan at us as well because we weren't really helping, like water the plants and help with the harvest. But it's just recently I've just taken an interest in gardening, and I appreciate the food that she's grown for us and what she's introduced us to. Because now, I mean, being a mum myself, I appreciate the beauty of growing your own crop, harvesting it, and it just tastes different. So I think it's just from that I've just got the love of gardening and green fingers. Yeah, so I mean, callaloo or amaranth, it's very versatile in the Bangladesh community. So you can have it as a curry. I was having talks about people on the table. You can have it with fish, or you can have it different types of fish. You can have it as a dry curry or as a really rich watery one. But there's so many ways to cook it. It's absolutely amazing. So we eat from the stalks to the leaves. The leaves can be cooked separately like spinach. Chop it down, a bit of garlic, a bit of onion, salt, and it's amazing. So depending on which parts of Bangladesh you come from, so I come from Sylhet. It's known as denga or data or dugi. I think in other parts, I think it's denga. Yeah, but it has got quite a few names.